America is full of surprises, but did you know that in the past, people believed some truly bizarre things about health? Today, we'll uncover strange health beliefs and practices from American history that will blow your mind. In the early 1900s, some doctors actually recommended cigarettes to help with asthma and throat problems. Ads even claimed smoking was healthy for your lungs. Imagine that! In the 1920s, Americans believed drinking water with radium could boost energy and cure diseases. It was sold as Radithor until people started dying from radiation poisoning. When Coca-Cola was first invented, it was marketed as a health tonic. The original recipe even contained cocaine. People thought it boosted energy and cured headaches. In the 19th century, Americans bought electric belts that promised to cure everything, from back pain to impotence. Of course, they didn't work, but thousands of people believed in them. So from cigarettes as medicine to radioactive water, America's health history is full of bizarre beliefs. Strange? Yes, but they remind us how far science has come. Which of these health beliefs shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more unbelievable facts every week.